What's up everybody? Welcome back to Worldwide Shenanigans. Today, I'm gonna show you how to take the MARC train from Baltimore to DC. So I arrived at the MARC train station about 10 or 15 minutes early to buy my ticket. Before going to the station, earlier in the day, I checked the MARC train website. Here you can see all three lines, and I'm riding the Penn line. On the Penn line, you can search the schedule for each day and choose the stations that you would want to ride to and from. Here you can get the schedule and see all of the trains that will be taking that route that day. So I am taking the 4:38 p.m. train, and I got there around 4:20 or 4:25. And how you buy tickets for the MARC trains is you use one of their kiosks inside the buildings, and I'll show you what that looks like. See, getting your ticket is super quick, super easy. It just takes a couple minutes and then you get a ticket. Now, with my ticket in hand, I am waiting for my train. Oh my gosh, I think I hear it. So overall, it's such a quick and easy process. You get here just a couple minutes before, no security, nothing like that. I am now off the train. The ride was actually so fast. I got in early. As you guys could tell, the train barely stops for just a couple seconds at each station. So you have to be there on time or early and get on really quick. And then when you're on the train, it's a really nice ride, really comfortable, big seats, and it's probably because of COVID, but it was really empty. So all in all, my ride from BWI, the Baltimore airport, took about 30 minutes to Union Station. After that 30-minute ride, when you get off at Union, you can connect to all of the DC metros. So I hopped on the red line and now I'm in downtown DC. It is so much fun being back in DC. I've already seen the Capitol, and just crossing over the Potomac, seeing all the metro landmarks again was really fun. And the last thing I want to mention is that I took the MARC Penn line. There are other lines such as Camden or one more line. There's a couple. All of the different lines have different stops around Maryland, but they all go to Union Station. So I hope this helps anybody who wants to take the MARC train to DC. It was pretty easy, so I definitely recommend it. And in the meantime, I'll catch you next time on Worldwide Shenanigans.